Hello, I'm Paul Bernstein. I'm an attorney with the Bernstein Law Group, and in today's estate planning video, we're going to talk about the 4 critical phases to plan for when creating your estate plan. The Bernstein Law Group is a boutique estate planning practice with offices in Beverly and Woburn, Mass. We've been a trusted family advisor for over 24 years. Now, when creating an estate plan, when you're married, you want to make sure that phase 1, we're looking out for you while you're alive and well, making certain that you stay in control, that you have access to your assets, that we've structured your assets in such a way to minimize risk of loss to you of those assets if anyone threatened to sue you. And in an appropriate situations, we'll look at income tax planning. Phase 2 is when, due to an accident or an illness, you become incapacitated. This is a critical phase to plan for that often isn't given adequate enough attention. We want to make sure the right people are making the right decisions for you, both financially and medically, without the need of court intervention. We want to make sure your spouse is being provided for financially during any period you're unable to communicate. And if there's family members that you've regularly assisted financially, you want to make sure that that's still permitted. Phase 3 presumes one of the two of you predeceases the other. What does it look like for the surviving spouse? I want to make sure in many cases that there's a degree of control and certainly protection for the surviving spouse, protection from lawsuits, also protection if there's a remarriage. We want certainty. We want to make sure your wishes after you pass away and after your surviving spouse passes away are followed. And lastly, tax planning is usually very beneficial during this phase 3 of planning. And then finally, phase 4, we want to discuss what happens when the survivor of you and your spouse passes away. We want to make sure the settlement of your affairs are family controlled, not court controlled. Therefore, they'll remain private. Expenses and costs will be reduced. And timing of the settlement of your matter, of your estate, will be based on what the family wants, not what a court dictates. And lastly, you want to make sure the inheritance goes to those people and causes you care about in the way you think they should receive them, whether outright over a period of time or in a very protected ongoing trust we call an inheritance trust. Hopefully you found this short video informative for when you move forward with either planning your estate or updating your estate plan. If you think we can help you and you're located in Eastern Massachusetts, feel free to reach out to us, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.